Efendim Los Angeles'ta mükemmel bir günün sabahına herkese merhabalar. Bugün DJI'nin yeni ürünü olan Mavic Air'in tanıtımı için Tustin semtine gideceğiz ve mükemmel bir gün olacağına eminim. Yeni Mavic Air'i edinmeye çalışacağız. Umarım ilk sahibi ben olabilirim Los Angeles'ta. Şimdi beni takip edin. DJI'ye gidiyoruz. DJI'nin yeni ürün olan Mavic Air'in tanıtımındayız. Lansman öncesi ürünleri deneme şansımız oldu. Gerçekten oldukça kompakt ve aynı zamanda katlanabilir bir ürün. Beyazı ve siyahı şu anda elimizde. Birazdan sunum başlayacak ve sunumda tüm özelliklerini bize anlatacaklar DJI yetkilileri. Arkamda gördüğünüz gibi yetkililer de heyecanlı Kaliforniya lansmanı için. New York'tan sonra ikinci lansman Kaliforniya'da ve bu anı yakaladığımız için gerçekten gururluyuz. Mavic Air'in özelliklerini biraz sonra paylaşacağız. Oldukça heyecanlıyız biz de.
Active Track has been upgraded. Active Track was our subject tracking mode, where essentially you just highlight a subject and it will follow that subject. It uses color contrast and movement to do so. With our new Active Track, you can track up to 16 objects. The drone will actually back up to keep the entire subject, or all the subjects in frame, and then you can change it how you want. Quick shot. So you've seen quick shot on the Mavic and the Spark. Rocket, droney, circle and helix. Rocket went straight up. Droney did like a drone selfie video where it pulled away, and then circled around you. Asteroid, essentially you're in a 360-degree pano, and it zooms in to show you, or vice versa. It can go backwards. And Boomerang. So Boomerang, this is our director of North America. He's basically standing on a cliff or somewhere, and then it shows him and goes around to show exactly what he's looking at. Establishes you and that you're there. Shows what you're doing or what you want to show off, and then comes back around. And if you try to fly this manually, I mean, I can probably do this one in every 10 to 20 tries. And this is Asteroid. Asteroid starts out in a 360-degree panorama and zooms in, or does the opposite. It'll zoom out to show a 360-degree world. This is a 32 megapixel panorama. It'll take, I'm not sure the exact number of shots, but it's up there. And it takes about a minute total to take the shots, and then it will take 8 seconds to stitch them together and be ready to post on whatever social or Flight Autonomy 2.0. It integrates upgraded sensors. So before it was sonar sensors, and since that was using sonar, it's using basically the speed of sound to maintain its altitude. We've switched over to infrared. Infrared is obviously light, so it pings a lot faster, maintains your altitude better. And then also our cameras. They were a little bit narrower before, and now they're wider, so you can get a better sight picture. At 29 miles per hour, the mechanical limits of the gimbal actually get hit, so you get a little bit of Dutch angling in your shots, unintentional, but you can fly the aircraft in faster, and we'll probably be able to show you that today. Battery, 21 minutes of flight time, so it is decreased from the Mavic, but it is very true to spec. I've tested over the last week, and I keep getting 19 or 20 minutes at least of flight time. It's about a pound. It's 0.95 pounds. And then when it's folded, like I was showing you guys, it's about the size of an iPhone. You can also use your smartphone. Not a huge fan of it, but it does work. It's more compact and foldable than the Mavic Pro. You get that 4K 3-axis camera. 21 minutes of flight time. 2.5 mile range. 42.5 mile an hour top speed. And then those backward sensors, like I said, have saved me so many times now.
I'm a drone pilot. I'm a CASA certified drone pilot in Australia, if you can't tell by my accent. And I'm also an FAA certified drone pilot here in the US. This clip you're about to see was completely shot with the Mavic Air. So in that clip, the two people flying had never flown a drone before. And yes, we utilized some of the intelligent flight modes. In that one we used the droney feature, and we also did the helix. To get these shots as a drone pilot manually are almost impossible, and they can take you up to 10-20 times just to even get something close.
DJI Mavic'in tanıtımındayız. Yanımızda Drone Gear'ın Instagram sahibi yer alıyor. Kendisi de bize açıklamalarda bulunuyor. Özellikle ürün hakkında ve DJI'nin de önemli içerik sağlayıcılarından bir tanesi kendisi. Bir başka şansımız da Mavic Air'i elimizde bulunduruyoruz şu anda. Küçüklüğüne bakarsanız Mavic Pro'nun neredeyse yarı boyutunda ve ağırlık olarak da yarısında. Önemli nokta 500 gramın altında olması en önemli nokta. Çünkü birçok international, uluslararası kurala göre 500 gramın altındaki dronelar farklı regülasyonlara tabi. Bu yüzden de lisans almanız bile gerekmiyor. Aslında belki de ülkelere göre oyuncak kategorisine geçiyor. Ancak bu profesyonel bir drone.